friends, today we're going to talk about beginning blends. If this is your first time here, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. The first thing we need to understand is what a blend is. A blend is 2 or 3 letters that each make their own sound, but blend together to form a syllable or a word. And we need to make sure we know what a beginning is. The beginning is the first or starting point of something. In our case, it's the starting point of a word. In this example, bright starts with BR. BR, bruh, is the blend at the beginning of the word. All right, let's get those gears grinding in our brain and practice beginning blends. Let's look at these pictures and read these words. First, we see a crab, then a crayon. And what beginning blend do they begin with? That's right, CR, crab, crayon. Okay, take a look at these 3 pictures on the screen. You see a tree, some trash, and you will see a tractor. And if you guess that TR is the beginning blend, you're right. Tree, trash, tractor. And did you know that not all beginning blends end with the letter R? Okay, take a close look at these 2 pictures. Do you know what the words are? The words are cloud and clap. They start with the beginning blend CL. Look at these 2 pictures. Do you know the words that go with these pictures? That's right. The words are star and stop. The beginning blend is ST. Okay, now it's your turn to try to find the beginning blend. Look at this picture. Do you know what it is? Which one of the beginning blends is the same beginning blend as the picture? That's right. The picture is a slide. And so the beginning blend is SL, slide. Now let's try this one. Do you know what the picture is? Which beginning blend matches the picture? That's right. The picture is a picture of grapes. So the beginning blend is GR, grapes. Okay, what is this a picture of? Do you know? Do you know the beginning blend at the beginning of the word? That's right. It's a picture of a plane. The beginning blend is PL, plane. Let's try it another way. Which one of these 3 pictures begins with the FR beginning blend? It's not a snail. It's not a spoon. The word frog begins with FR, frog. Which one of these pictures starts with the beginning blend BL? That's right. Blueberries, not frame or broom, has the beginning blend BL. It's been fun learning about beginning blends that are 2 letters. Let's have more fun. Did you know that there are some beginning blends that have 3 letters? And the number 3 is an example of one of those. THR is the beginning blend of the word 3. What is this? It's a squid. Do you know what the beginning blend of the word squid is? The beginning blend of the word squid is SQU, squid. This is a picture of a shrimp and a picture of a shrug. Do you know the beginning blend? The beginning blend of these words is SHR, shrug and shrimp. Okay, this one's tough. The words are scarecrow, skate, and square. Only one of them has a 3-letter beginning blend. The answer is square. SQU is the beginning blend. Scarecrow, SC, and skate, SK, have 2 letters. Wow, I'm impressed. Beginning blends are not easy, and you all did great. If you learned something from this video, click the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to learn more from my classroom. I'm glad you came. I'll see you next time. Have a great day. Bye, friends.